All right, so good day, our good viewers. How's it going? So we are here to install 8 units of 580 watts. This system is going to power. This is the ICT of this school, video the school. This is the ICT of this school, right? It's a health college in Delta State. It's a very big building, but we're installing solar system that is going to power their ICT. All right, so you can see we're already up working. We're hanging the panels. So I'll show you inside. Come, let me show you the inside. All right, so this is the ICT already. You could see some of the computers already being set up. More are still coming. But this is where we are installing our system. All right, so this is where we are installing everything. We are installing a 6 kVA inverter from Cworth Energy and also a 5 kW lithium battery. We don't need so much battery power. That's why we're just installing just 5 kilowatts, right? But this 6 kVA will be able to power all the computers that are in this ICT. We have over 100 computers here. I think it's more than, it's about 200 and something. But the inverters will be able to power them. All right. So this is just a start. As the size of the ICT is increasing, we'll be adding more panels. Since nobody's going to be at night, it's only during the day that the students will be using the ICT also. So that's why we are doing 5 kilowatts lithium battery. So if you need our services, do it too.
Let me know. Where put the wire? You can change the one.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't cover.
The job, we just installed 6 kVA inverter and a 5 kilowatts lithium ion battery. That is the protection box. As you can see now, we are done with the job. The lights are on. So if you need our services, these are our contact info.